Hey everyone, welcome back to Camp with Hassan. Today, we're going on an epic outdoor adventure, and I'll show you some amazing camping tips that make your trip super easy and fun. First things first, when you go camping, always pick the perfect spot. Look for a flat area, near water if possible, and make sure it's safe. Trust me, this will make your camping experience so much better. Next, let's talk gear. You don't need a ton of stuff. Just bring a good tent, sleeping bag, flashlight, and of course, snacks. I always carry a small backpack with essentials, so I don't have to run around when night falls. Setting up a campfire is super important. Not only does it keep you warm, but it also gives that classic camping vibe. Remember, safety first. Always clear the area of dry leaves and have water nearby just in case. And what's camping without some tasty treats? Roasting marshmallows is my favorite. You can make s'mores or just enjoy them as they are. It's simple, fun, and perfect for bonding with friends or family. When night falls, relax and enjoy the view. The stars, the fresh air, the sounds of nature. This is why we camp. Take a moment to breathe and enjoy being unplugged from the world. All right, friends, that's it for today's camping adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Camp with Hassan for more fun outdoor tips and adventures. See you next time.